Ms. Natik Kumar. I am a student at the advanced level from the Paragon Academy, Badin. Today, the topic of my presentation is Bill Gates. And all you listen and all you know, the Bill Gates is a richest person in the world. And I tell a story about this when he in children. So in children. He have no shirt to wear. He only wear the pant and go to the school. And in school, in which class he study, in class there are many students are topper. They got first position, second position, but he is loser. And he tell his own quotation that he write that student these students that study with me and they got positions. They are engineer in my Microsoft company and I am an owner of the Microsoft company. So this is a main point, that we are struggle, hard work, and after we success in our life. So is a most popular quotation of Bill Gates that he tell in interview that when you are born in poor, this is not your mistake. When you are die in poor, that's your mistake. Because everyone is born poor, and after he has struggle, and after he success in life, and after they make rich. And in the same example is our forefathers, our grandfathers, they are poor, and after they struggle, they do hard working, and after they earn money, and now we are afford the education, because some poor peoples are not afford the education. Thanks.